Were you looking for a place to exercise in your school? Then the POSCO Center would be the best place for you. From now on, I will introduce the POSCO Center to you. First, it's located in Seoul National University, Building 71-2, near the Seoul National University Dental Hospital and General Gymnasium. POSCO Center inside the Seoul National University has many sports facilities. There is a squash court on the B1 and a golf club and GX room on the first floor. Also, there is a fitness center on the second floor, a swimming pool on the third floor, and a PT-only fitness center on the fourth floor. Now, let me introduce them one by one. This is the squash court. The squash court is open for daily admissions and also you can apply for the classes. You can apply for the squash classes month in advance. More detailed schedule you can find on POSCO Center's website. Now we are in the first floor with a golf course and GX room. Behind me you can see the golf course. You can take a golf classes and one free practice hour a day. Also, there is a discount for SNU students. This is the GX room. For those who might be unfamiliar with the GX, it stands for group exercise, which means a group of people who work out together and follow the trainer in front of them. The GX room at the POSCO Center has programs like yoga, Pilates, and dance. You can also find more detailed information on POSCO Center's website. This is a fitness center. The fitness center has a variety of machines to build your strength. Also, if you are new to the gym, you can schedule an orientation for new members to get simple instructions on how to use the equipment with the precautions. This is the third floor with a swimming pool. It's available in two forms, free swimming and swimming classes. However, classes are so popular that you have to line up for the POSCO Center early in the morning to apply for the swimming classes. There is a clear advantage in that classes are conducted with a smaller number of people than other swimming places. So, if you want to learn swimming, I recommend it. This is the fourth floor with the gym equipment for the personal training, which commonly called PT in Korea. Only members who applied for the PT can use this space. However, if PT members want to use the gym on the second floor, they need to purchase a separate ticket for the gym on the second floor. So far, I've introduced the facilities inside the POSCO Center and the simple ways to use it. I hope the information that I gave you will be helpful. See you next time.
Did you enjoy our video? You can find more topics on Seoul National University's OIA YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like SNU OIA channel. Thank you.